everybody, it's Kelsee Briana J, and in today's video I'm going to be overviewing a brand that is new to me. It is not new on the market, but this is my first rodeo with the brand. They sent over a ton of products, so thank you so much. But the brand that I am talking about is RealHer, and I am so excited about this because this brand looks so cool. So when they reached out to me, I always look over the website and I'm like, okay, what do they have? What is this brand about? And I fell in love. It was love at first sight. And so RealHer is a brand that is all about positive words of affirmation. It's all about positivity, and it's all about lifting people's self-esteem. So I'm going to read you guys a quick background about the brand, and then we'll dip into these products. So it says that after the birth of his daughter, Yari, RealHer founder Bill started researching the best ways to raise a daughter. He was overwhelmed by the amount of information about how much society can affect a woman's upbringing. And this is a quote from him. He says that I wanted to do whatever I could to make as much of a difference as possible, to help more women. I wanted to build a brand to inspire women to be independent, successful, and fulfilled. It was this need that sparked the idea of creating RealHer. So I'm excited about this brand. It was all about the positivity. When I was looking over all the products, I'm like, oh my gosh, that's amazing. I have a good amount of products here. I'm going to walk you through the things that I have. And then of course, I'm going to create this look. That way you guys can see these products in action. So we're definitely going to explore. So I want to do my eyes first, and I have just a little bit of concealer on. I actually want to put on just a little bit more. I just need like one little dot. And this is the Estee Lauder Double Wear Concealer. Let's blend this out. So I'm going to be using the Do Your Squats palette to do my eyes, and it's like, okay, let me go ahead and do some squats then. So I'm going to take a Sonia G Classic Crease Brush and the color Invincible, and very lightly take this color right in my crease area. And I want to go in pretty slow because I already know on me this color is going to be darker. And I'm going to use this to carve out my crease. So I just added a little bit more. And I'm going back and forth with this color in the crease. And then I'm going to gradually begin to blend it upwards and get this color nice and blended out. Like so. So I have that in the crease, and I had to go in real nice and easy because it is very dark and there's not really a mid-tone color to do my crease with. You just need to go in with the lightest deep color that they have in the palette and go in very, very slowly, or you can always reach outside of a palette to bring in a lighter shade. But this is about what I want it to look like. Next, I'm going to take a flat shader brush and the color Dazzling, and I'm not going to add another color in the crease because I already had a darker color that I blended up, so that color served two purposes. So now I'm going to go in with this color all over the lid and then blend it over. I do want to have a very almost sultry, smoky brown eye, and that is my vibe today. That's what I'm on. So I'm taking this all the way across. I'm going to leave a little bit of space on the outer corner just to add something to add a little bit more definition. And then I'm going to leave the inner corner empty because I do want to add a color to sort of brighten it up so I'm not so dark, but this is it. Next, I'm going to take the same brush in the color Terrific and pop that on the outer corner and blend it up towards the crease. So I'm tapping it right next to this color, and then I'm just going to blend this thing over because I do want to have this color on the very outer corner to add a little bit of sultriness, but not too much because I don't want to spend too much time blending it out, to be honest. So I just want to pop it here and have a very easy, smoky, cattish eye. Very pretty. I'm liking the way that this looks so far. So now I want to add a color on the inner corner because I need to brighten it up because I am very dark on the eye area. I need to add some luminosity. So I'm going to go into my Sonia G Flat Definer and take the color Limitless, which is a lighter color, and pop that right on the inner corner and then blend it up. And then I'm going to take this same color and wrap it around and put it on the lower inner corner. So now I want to keep it very simple. So I'm going to go in with one more color along the rest of the lower lash line with the same brush. And that color is Awesome. So just right along the lash line and connect it to the inner tear duct color and bring it up and connect it to the top. And that's it. So I'm gonna go ahead and add liner and lashes, finish this off, and I'll be right back. I also have on my AirPods because I'm on hold, and apparently I'm gonna have to hold on for 30 more minutes, and I already have been on hold for 30 minutes, but don't mind me. Let's finish off our face, and I'm gonna try not to be distracted by the hold music in my ear, okay? So they sent over one of their angled brushes, and so I'm gonna use that to put on my blush. So the color Social cracked, and I was like, no! It's always sad when you have a cracked color. This one was broken when I opened it up out of the box, but that's okay. I'm gonna go in with this color. This one is Confident. And oh, that's very pigmented. I'm going to take that on the balls of my cheeks and blend it back. And then I'm going to take a little bit of Passionate and just go, oh, ooh, that is pigmented. I put a lot. Okay, it worked out. But since I did it over there, I got to do it over here. I need to tone this down, so I'm going to go in with my Beauty Blender. No additional water or anything like that, but I did use this to put on my foundation and stuff today, so that's going to help us tone this down because these are pigmented. So don't go in with a heavy hand, but these are really pretty. They give a nice amount of color. Next, I'm going to go in with a little bit of highlighter. They sent over a highlighter brush too, so I am just going to tap in here and highlight my life. This highlighter is gliding on. It's very soft, so it's not going to give you super intense color, but it's just a nice, natural, almost like lit from within type highlighter. Now for the part that I have been waiting for, the lip try-on part. I want to try on all of these products that they sent, so I'm just going to go ahead and do that, and I'm going to add in the name of them down here because if I talk through that portion, it'll take 30 minutes for that alone. So let me go ahead and do that, and once I'm done trying on all the lip products, I'll be back to talk, and we can talk about this brand together. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Now I want to try on the glosses, and these are the Color Rich lip glosses. Now let's try on the lipsticks, and I have two different types of formulas, but I only have one of the types of formula, and what I'm talking about is the moisturizing gloss formula. I have one lipstick and this one, and then the rest of them are matte lipsticks. So I'm gonna go ahead and try those on. have truly enjoyed doing this video because all of the names of these products have really lifted my spirits, and that is really important all the time, but especially now because everything is just so having products like this that give you positive words of affirmation, it feels good even though you don't think about it all the time. Having a lipstick that says I am optimistic, or a lipstick that says I am a visionary, that's what I have on my lips right now, that really lifts you up and it puts you in the mind frame of thinking that way. So I think that this brand is really cool. They really are pushing positivity and building people's self-esteem, and so I really like that, and I like all of the products that I tried today. My favorite products that I've tried on are hands down these glosses, because oh my gosh, these feel so amazing on the lips, so plush. They feel just like almost like whipped lip glosses, and they still have that nice shine to them, and they give you color. So I definitely want to have more of these because these are amazing, and I absolutely love all of the matte lipsticks that I tried on. The two lighter ones, I will definitely have to use a lip liner with them, but I love these colors. I definitely don't need any lip liners with the rest of them, but I typically do wear a lip liner with the neutral lipstick, but because those are super light, I definitely have to. But the matte lipstick formula is bomb. I love the fact that they have magnetized tops, because you know it's the simple things for me that always wins me over. And I love the colors, and on top of that, I love the names. The lip liners, super amazing. These reminds me a lot of Pat McGrath lip liners, but with a little bit more staying power, or the Christian Audette lip liners that when you put them on, you have to scrub them off. So I definitely put these on my arm and swatched them, and then I had to take a shower afterwards before I filmed, because other than that, these things are not going anywhere. But all of these products are amazing, but I absolutely adore the lip products from this line. So definitely check them out. I will have a link to them down in my description box. But thanks again to RealHer for sending over all these goodies. Let me know if you all have ever tried anything from the brand, or if you are going to try anything, tell me which products you are most interested in. And I cannot wait to see what you guys have to say. I love this, and in honor of them and their brand's mission, tell me something that you love about yourself. Let's promote positivity because it is important to do so. So tell me one thing that you love down in the comment section, and I will check you out in my very next video, which will be super soon. Smooches.